हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम लोग रीचिंग द एज ऑफ एडोलेसेंस चैप्टर का एक्सरसाइज का क्वेश्चन आंसर करने जा रहे हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द टर्म यूज्ड फॉर सिक्रेशन ऑफ एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर चेंजेस टेकिंग प्लेस इन द बॉडी? आंसर विल बी hormones are chemical messengers that transport signal from one cell or gland to the another cell or gland. Second one, define adolescence. The period, answer will be the period of life when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity is called adolescence. Adolescence begins around the age of 11 and lasts up to 18 or 19 years of age. Next question, what is menstruation? Explain. In female reproductive ovaries, the ova begin to mature with the onset of puberty. One ova matures and is released by one of the ovaries once in about 28 to 30 days. During this period, the wall of the uterus becomes thick so as to receive the egg, in case it is fertilized and begins to develop. If fertilization does not occur, the released egg and the thick lining of the uterus along with its blood vessel are set off. This causes bleeding in female, which is called menstruation. Menstruation occurs once in about 28 to 30 days. Next question. List changes in the body that take place at puberty. Answer will be common changes occur among boys and girls during puberty. Points are sudden increase in height. Second, change in body shape. Third, change in voice. In boys, voice become deep and harsh. In girls, it is high-pitched voice. Increased activity of sweat and sebaceous glands. Reproductive organ begins to mature. Appearance of secondary sexual characteristics. Now, changes in boys during puberty. Boys में क्या changes आते हैं? First, facial hair such as beard and mustaches develop. Second, hair develops under the armpit, under chest and in the pubic region. Third, voice become deeper. Fourth, muscle develop and shoulder become broad. Fifth, increase in weight. Next, changes in girls during puberty. Development and enlargement of breast first. Second, hair develops under the armpit and in the pubic region. Third, hips broaden and pelvic region widens. Fourth, initiation of menstruation cycle. 5, deposition of fat around hips. Another question. Prepare a table having 2 columns depicting names of endocrine glands and hormones secreted by them. Okay. First, pituitary, growth hormones, thyroid, thyroxine, adrenal, adrenaline, pancreas, insulin, testis, testosterone, ovaries, estrogen and progesterone. Another question. What are sex hormones? Why are they named so? State their function. Answer will be hormones which constitute the secondary sexual characters are called sex hormones. In general, hormones work instantly when they released in the bloodstream. Sex hormones are different because they start to work later on. They gradually prepare in the body for reproduction. The sex hormones are responsible for the fundamental change in growth and development and stimulate the developments of secondary sexual characters. The testes and the ovaries are reproductive organ and both are stimulated by the pituitary hormone during puberty. That's the reason these are called sex hormones. Now, functions of sex hormones. In male, the testes produce the male sex hormones testosterone. This hormone helps in development and maintenance of the primary and secondary sexual characters and the production of sperms. Second, in female, the ovaries secrete estrogen and progesterone responsible for the primary and secondary sexual characters. Next question, choose the correct option. Alright. First question is there. Adolescents should be careful about what they eat because answer will be adolescents should be careful about what they eat because proper diet is needed for the rapid growth taking place in their body. B. Reproductive age in women starts when their menstruation starts. C. The right meal for adolescent consists of chapati, dal, vegetables. Next question. Write notes on Adam's apple. Okay, Adam's apple. The protruding part of the throat is called Adam's apple. It is the enlarged voice box or larynx which gets enlarged and visible from outside in bodies at the onset of puberty. This makes the voice of boys hoarse. Next, secondary sexual characters. Secondary sexual characters are those characters which distinguish a male from female. Some of the characters are as follows. In boys, first, facial hair such as beard and mustache develop. Second, hair develops under the armpit, under chest and in the pubic region. Third, voice become deeper. Fourth, muscles develop and shoulders become broad. Fifth, increase in height. Now in girls, development enlargement of breasts. Second, hair develops under the armpit and the pubic region. Third, hips broaden and pelvic region widens. Fourth, initiation of menstruation cycle. Fifth, deposition of fat around hips. Now, third one, sex determination in the unborn baby. All human beings have 23 pairs of chromosomes in the nuclei of their cells. Out of these two chromosomes are the sex chromosomes named X and Y. A female has two X chromosomes while a male has one X and one Y chromosomes. The gametes, egg and sperm, have only one set of chromosomes. The unfertilized egg always have one X chromosome, but sperms may have X or Y. When a sperm containing X chromosome fertilizes the egg, the zygote would have two X chromosomes and develop into a female child. If the sperm contributes a Y chromosome to the egg ovum at fertilization, the zygote would develop into a male child. This concludes that the sex chromosomes of the father determine the sex of an unborn baby. Moving ahead, next question, word game. Alright, third, in the across region, protruding voice box in boys. The answer will be, third one is here. Where is third one? Here. Adam's apple. Alright, next one, glands without ducts. Fourth is here, endocrine. Next is endocrine glands attached to brain. Seventh, pituitary. Next, 8, secretion of endocrine glands. 8 number, where is it? Here, hormone. Next, pancreatic hormone. 9, that will be insulin. Last for the across word, female hormone. The answer will be estrogen. Now downward, male hormone. First, where is first? Here, testosterone. Next, secretes thyroxine. Answer will be thyroid. Next, another term for teenage. Third, it will be adolescence. Next, hormone reaches here through blood stream. Answer will be, where is 5? 5 is where is 5? Here. Yeah, it's a target site. Next, voice box. 6-1. The answer will be larynx. Last one, the term for changes at adolescence. The answer will be puberty. Alright, moving ahead. The table below shows the data on likely heights of boys and girls as they grow in age. Draw graphs showing height and age for both boys and girls on the same graph paper. Now, what conclusion can be drawn from these graphs? Here the graph is given. You can easily draw it in your copy. Moving ahead for the conclusion, answer will be, girls are taller than boys till they reach the age of 12 years. Second point, till the age of 16 years, the height of both boys and the girls remain the same. Third, after 16, both boys and girls gain increase in height. In general, boys are taller than girls. Alright, हमारा क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हो चुका है. आई थिंक आप लोग को पूरा कंप्लीट हो गया होगा. लाइक करें, शेयर करें. थैंक यू.